Using the square root property, let's solve for the square of x minus 4 minus 7 equals 0. You can apply the square root property if the square is isolated on one side, but here it's not the case. We have minus 7 outside, right? So we have to get rid of that by adding both sides by 7. And so we have here the quantity x minus 4 squared equals 0 plus 7, 7. And only then you can apply the square root property. So we have a perfect square on the left side. We get the square root of that. Also, this one, we get a square root positive negative. The square root of x minus 4 squared is simply your x minus 4. And that's equal to, well, 7 is a perfect square, right? And you cannot simplify it. So you can simply write here positive negative square root of 7. And then we solve for x. We get rid of negative 4 by adding both sides by 4. And now we come up with this result. We bring down x. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And then here, 4 positive negative square of 7. We have 4 plus minus square root of 7. So what are your solutions here? The solutions will simply be this. In the set, now we're gonna write it in a set. We have 4. Separate the minus and plus. We have 4 minus the square root of 7. That's the first one. The other one is 4 plus the square root of 7. So our solutions here are irrational because we have a radical there, square root of 7, and we cannot simplify that further.